Welcome back, language enthusiasts. In this phase, we're diving deeper into the world of advanced vocabulary. Get ready to elevate your language skills as we explore 25 more powerful English phrases with get that are used in everyday conversations. Stick around till the end as we have an exciting recap waiting for you. So, let's get started. Word number 1, get around. Synonyms: navigate, circumvent. Meaning, to navigate a place or situation, often cleverly or by unconventional means. Practical scenario. John, hey, how do you get around the traffic during rush hour? Sarah, I take the side streets to get around the congestion. It's faster. Tom, that's a clever way to get around the traffic. Word number 2, get ahead. Synonyms: succeed, advance. Meaning, to succeed or be more fortunate than others. Practical scenario. Ella, how can I get ahead in my career? David, work hard and seize opportunities. You'll get ahead in no time. Sophia, getting ahead requires dedication and persistence. Word number 3, get along. Synonyms: have a good relationship, bond. Meaning, to have a good relationship with someone. Practical scenario. Oliver, do your siblings get along well? Emily, most of the time, but they have their disagreements. Ava, it's important to get along with your colleagues at work. Word number 4, get by. Synonyms: survive, manage. Meaning, to manage to survive or cope with difficulty. Practical scenario. Michael, how do you get by on such a tight budget? Lisa, I budget carefully and prioritize expenses to get by. Robert, getting by in a tough situation requires resourcefulness. Word number 5, get over. Synonyms: recover from, overcome. Meaning, to recover from an emotional setback or disappointment. Practical scenario. Sophie, it's hard to get over a breakup. Emma, take your time, you'll eventually get over it. Jake, getting over loss is a process that takes time. Word number 6, get through. Synonyms: complete, endure. Meaning, to finish something successfully, even if it's difficult. Practical scenario. Daniel, how did you get through all those exams? Linda, I stayed focused and studied hard to get through them. Mark, getting through tough times builds character. Word number 7, get on with. Synonyms: continue, proceed. Meaning, to continue doing something after an interruption. Practical scenario. Sophia, let's get on with the meeting. Alex, sorry for the delay, let's get on with the agenda. Nathan, getting on with our tasks is essential for productivity. Word number 8, get on someone's nerves. Synonyms: annoy, irritate. Meaning, to annoy or irritate someone. Practical scenario. Ella, his constant talking gets on my nerves. David, I know, he can be quite irritating. Sophie, learning to get along without getting on someone's nerves is a challenge. Word number 9, get down to business. Synonyms: focus, start work. Meaning, to start working seriously on something. Practical scenario. Oliver, enough chit-chat, let's get down to business. Emily, agreed, we have a lot to accomplish. Ava, getting down to business requires efficiency. Word number 10, get lost. Synonyms: confused, disoriented. Meaning, to become confused or disoriented. Practical scenario. Michael, I easily get lost in this city. Lisa, it can be confusing with all the winding streets. Robert, getting lost while exploring can be an adventure. Word number 11, get something across. Synonyms: communicate, convey. Meaning, to communicate something effectively to someone. Practical scenario. Sophie, I struggled to get my point across in the presentation. Emma, practice will help you get your message across clearly. Jake, getting something across is crucial in effective communication. Word number 12, get out of something. Synonyms, avoid, evade. Meaning, to avoid a responsibility or task. Practical scenario. Daniel, he tried to get out of doing the dishes. Linda, it's important not to get out of your responsibilities. Mark, getting out of your duties isn't fair to others. Word number 13, get out of hand. Synonyms, escalate, spiral out of control. Meaning, to become difficult to control or manage. Practical scenario. Sophia, the party got out of hand and the neighbors complained. Alex, we should have set some rules to prevent it from getting out of hand. Nathan, things can quickly get out of hand if not managed properly. Word number 14, get cold feet. Synonyms, lose nerve, hesitate. Meaning, to lose your nerve or change your mind about something, often at the last minute. Practical scenario. Ella, he got cold feet at the wedding and called it off. David, sometimes nerves can make you get cold feet. Sophie, getting cold feet is natural when facing a big decision. Word number 15, get a grip. Synonyms, control, compose oneself. Meaning, to pull yourself together and act rationally. Practical scenario. Oliver, get a grip, panicking won't solve the problem. Emily, you're right, we need to stay calm and get a grip on the situation. Ava, getting a grip on your emotions is essential in emergencies. Word number 16, get the picture. Synonyms, comprehend, grasp. Meaning, to understand something quickly and easily. Practical scenario. Sophie, I explained the plan several times. Do you finally get the picture? Emma, yes, now I get the picture clearly. Jake, getting the picture is important to avoid misunderstandings. Word number 17, get something wrong. Synonyms, misinterpret, misunderstand. Meaning, to make a mistake or misunderstand something. Practical scenario. Daniel, I hope I didn't get your instructions wrong. Linda, no worries, you didn't get anything wrong. Mark, getting things wrong happens to everyone occasionally. Word number 18, get together. Synonyms, assemble, gather. Meaning, to meet up with someone or a group of people. Practical scenario. Olivia, let's get together for dinner this weekend. Alex, I'd love to get together with the old gang. Nathan, getting together with friends is always fun. Word number 19, get hold of. Synonyms, obtain, acquire. Meaning, to find or obtain something. Practical scenario. Sophia, I can't seem to get hold of that book anywhere. Ella, have you tried the library? You might get hold of it there. David, getting hold of rare items can be challenging. Word number 20, get something out of your system. Synonyms, release, vent. Meaning, to express or release strong emotions. Practical scenario. Oliver, he needed to get his anger out of his system after the argument. Emily, sometimes it's good to get things out of your system. Ava, getting emotions out of your system can be therapeutic. Word number 21, get off scot-free. Synonyms, avoid punishment, escape consequences. Meaning, to escape punishment or responsibility for wrongdoing, often due to luck or cunning. Practical scenario. Michael, he managed to get off scot-free after damaging company property. Lisa, it's not fair that he got off scot-free for his actions. Robert, getting off scot-free isn't a lesson learned. Word number 22, get wind of something. Synonyms, discover, learn. Meaning, to learn about something secretly or before it becomes public knowledge. Practical scenario. Sophie, she got wind of the layoffs before the official announcement. Emma, getting wind of such news can be advantageous. Jake, getting wind of industry insights early can be profitable. Word number 23, get in someone's good graces. Synonyms, gain favor, win approval. Meaning, to gain someone's favor or approval through effort or flattery. Practical scenario. Daniel, he tried to get in the manager's good graces by volunteering for extra work. Linda, getting in someone's good graces can lead to opportunities. Mark, getting in the boss's good graces can be beneficial. Word number 24, get something up and running. Synonyms, start, initiate. Meaning, to start or initiate a project, system, or organization successfully. Practical scenario. Olivia, it took months of planning, but they finally got the new recycling program up and running. Alex, getting things up and running smoothly is a significant achievement. Nathan, getting a business up and running requires dedication. Word number 25, get a handle on something. Synonyms, control, understand. Meaning, to gain control or understanding of a complex situation or problem. Practical scenario. Sophia, it took her a while to get a handle on the financial crisis, but she eventually made some tough decisions that stabilized the company. Ella, getting a handle on complex issues is a valuable skill. David, getting a handle on your finances is essential for stability.
Congratulations on progressing through the second phase of our vocabulary journey. You've now learned 25 advanced English words that will enrich your language skills.
Now, get ready to review and reinforce your advanced vocabulary in our recap segment. Listen closely, and let's make sure these words are firmly anchored in your memory. Number 1, get around, skillfully navigate situations. Number 2, get ahead, achieve success ahead of others. Number 3, get along, maintain positive relationships. Number 4, get by, cope with challenges effectively. Number 5, get over, recover from setbacks smoothly. Number 6, get through, successfully complete tasks. Number 7, get on with, resume tasks after interruption. Number 8, get on someone's nerves, annoy or irritate. Number 9, get down to business, begin work seriously. Number 10, get lost, become disoriented or confused. Number 11, get something across, convey ideas effectively. Number 12, get out of something, avoid tasks or duties. Number 13, get out of hand, become uncontrollable. Number 14, get cold feet, lose courage or confidence. Number 15, get a grip, regain composure and control. Number 16, get the picture, grasp concepts quickly. Number 17, get something wrong, make a mistake. Number 18, get together, meet up with others. Number 19, get hold of, acquire or obtain something. Number 20, get something out of your system, release pent-up emotions. Number 21, get off scot-free, escape punishment. Number 22, get wind of something, discover secrets or news. Number 23, get in someone's good graces, earn someone's favor. Number 24, get something up and running, successfully start a project. Number 25, get a handle on something, gain control or understanding.
Well done! We've covered 25 phrasal verbs with get today, each with its unique usage and meaning. Keep practicing, and these words will become second nature in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more enriching vocabulary lessons. Stay committed to enhancing your English language skills.